But yeah. But WoW is way more cheaper than Lost Ark. What makes Lost Ark even more expensive is chances to fail, aka gambling, aka lottery. On top of being more expensive and gambling mentality, two things I hated in the West. I feel like you shouldn't play MMO if you don't want gambling mentality. Every MMO is gambling mentality, dude. Every MMO is. Dropping like the accessory that you need or rolling high enough compared to like other players, that's gambling as well. If you don't think it's gambling, then that's just like tunnel vision right there. Just have like a short, like narrow minded right there. I mean, like that's just the way like MMO work to keep you playing. All right. Okay, yeah. Someone wanted me to check with this right here. WoW Lost Ark comparison, and why Lost Ark is doomed to fail. Okay, that's the title of this right here, boys. Doomed to fail compared to WoW is free to play. Well, I don't know. I mean, like we'll read like his reply first for now. This is like a thing. Reply to this thread. This thread. Well, let's read this thread then. Rosar get hated on these forums for being able to buy gold with real money. WoW does the same thing. I mean, it's the same, right? But then like you have like a subscription fee and everything. More equalized content, arena, hell mode rates than WoW. WoW not only has worse monetization, play to win more play impactful than LA due to having less content. It's equalized. Around the percentage people say defend WoW, but deep down you know I'm right. I mean, it doesn't matter to be honest, right? I mean, like who the hell cares? Two different game anyway. Play whichever you enjoy. Yeah. But yeah, another cry post. I don't know. I don't think it's WoW Andy, but we'll see. I guess we don't know yet. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. But basically, like it all comes down to like just play what you enjoy, man. Why are you hating on it on the forum? Do you really have like that like free time right there? What is this right here? Just play the one that you enjoy and just leave like the other game that you don't enjoy. Simple as that. Yeah. Reply to all Lost Ark defenders. Before I start, I want to mention that this is not a WoW defender thread. Okay, both games are pay to win, but there is a difference. Lost Ark is extremely predatory and more expensive compared to WoW. Is it now? I feel like I saw like in WoW, like some of the world first raiders and everything like paid like I think like limit owes like so much money and everything as well, as far as I know. But I don't know. I'm not like well versed on it. But I point out is the difference between them and why WoW is more accepted in the West than Lost Ark. This is no secret. Lost Ark lost 1 million players since launch. Sure, I guess. Started with almost 1.4 million players at launch, and now it declined to an average of 300k players. It's 400k now. It's more than 85% player base in 2 months. No other game in history managed to lose so much of its player base in such a game in such a short time. It's similar to like New World, I guess, but kinda. Even failed MMO like Rift, Black Desert, Terra Online, and so on managed to keep more than 67% of the initial player in the first half year since they launched. Yeah, but I mean like the amount of the player base that they have is not really that much. I mean like yeah, you keep like 60-70% initial player base, but if you think that like some of these are like alive, I don't know what to tell you, man. Wow, you even have to pay monthly. Again, it's just like two different games. You don't really compare the two of them. WoW is not in better shape. It's lost a lot of its player base. Yeah. This like the statistic for it. I don't know actually. They didn't say like their actual statistics, right? So we don't know. WoW has that loyal player base, which is around 1 million players. Well, here is the thing, right? When you're really thinking of this, right? You're talking about like NAEU only of like what's the name? Lost Ark. Not even counting like Korea, not counting the other regions as well. So it's pretty narrow-minded for that. But just to clarify. So yeah. Lost Ark doesn't have that loyal player base. Not that you know of because you don't know. Obviously, you don't know because you didn't even count the other regions. But yeah. The OP above the thread say that WoW is more pay to win than Lost Ark. I'm here to show him wrong. I think it's the same. Not it's the same, I guess. I mean, like they both just have like paying aspects in the game. So yeah, they'll just use SteamDB. Just look at Steam numbers. Yeah, that's the problem, right? So yeah. WoW doesn't release player number. They haven't for years and don't want it being public knowledge anymore. Yeah, I don't know. 60% of 1k. Yeah, to start, we resell base idea which to go and best one of the value of the WoW token. Okay, I don't know anything about WoW token here. So yeah, Lost Ark doesn't have such a base value. We will take $20 as a base value of the value of WoW token and see what we can do with 20 on each game. So let's start. Dollar to gold ratio 20 Lost Ark equals to 30 and 40 gold. 20 in WoW equals 264k gold. So what can you get with that then? I think people method are thinking is changed because now a lot of person not having fun in the game because they only try to imitate other person. They usually compare themselves to like other people. That's the thing right there. If you keep like putting other people in front of you, then you're just you're giving them power over you, man. It's just stupid to do that. WoW token is like blue crystal, kinda. But yeah, what I can buy with 20 bucks in each game, we start with Lost Ark gear, honing upgrade with high chance to fail. Mount pet and skin additional upgrade. This like the rest of it. So yeah, now because less than 1% of player base can farm end game content. Well, this is not this is not wrong, but that's because it's NAEU right there. It's NAEU stuff. We now continue with WoW gear. For those who don't know, this is a mythic gear raid piece. Basically, mythic raid is the end content of WoW. As a note, this is 100% eye level upgrade, not like honing where you have 15% chance. Question is, why would I pay 20 for one pet in Lost Ark when I can buy 100 pets in WoW? Why would I pay more than 20 to buy a mount in blah blah blah? That's basically like his comparison right here. So just play WoW then. Just play WoW. The intention of the game is literally basically is if you're gonna whale, you're gonna have to spend so much what's the name? You have to spend like so much money to whale in the game. So basically, the general player base is gonna be like together, and you have like the whales up top, maybe like 1 or 2% of the whales. Or you can be in here and maybe like, I don't know, 50% of the player base pay 20 bucks and you're just shit on because you have lower eye level and you can't get that. But I mean, like, if you enjoy that one, then you can play WoW, right? I think like that's the main thing of it. Shamon and Dupo, thank you follow, man. Welcome. Abel as well, thank you follow. If I don't play WoW and I play Lost Ark, maybe in League I pay 40 for some skins too. Well, I don't know. I mean, like, it's just a difference between the two. I mean, like, the idea is, yeah, both games have like some like paying aspect for it. If you think it's pay to win, then I guess it is pay to win then for you, right? Simple as that. And if you don't like it, then you can just find something else that is not pay to win. But yeah. But WoW is way more cheaper than Lost Ark. What makes Lost Ark even more expensive is chances to fail, aka gambling, aka lottery. On top of being more expensive and gambling mentality, two things I hated in the West. I feel like you shouldn't play MMO if you don't want gambling mentality. Every MMO is gambling mentality, dude. Every MMO is. Dropping like the accessory that you need or rolling high enough compared to like other players, that's gambling as well. If you don't think it's gambling, then that's just like tunnel vision right there. Just have like a short, like, narrow-minded right there. I mean, like, that's just the way like MMO work to keep you playing. But yeah, another issue of Lost Ark is the premium currency conversion and the prices in the cash shop. All prices don't match the money requested for the item. Unlike WoW, where real money price match with the item in store. To give you an idea, I will explain Omen set skin price. Omen skin set price. Where is the explanation? Well, the reason for that is because the price is determined by the player. So the player tells you like how much of the how much price it is. I mean, yeah, right now you only get like 3,000 gold, let's say, in like an AEU Lost Ark, right? I mean, like, by the time like they get to Korea, you'll get like millions of gold instead of like that. So it's not fixed price in Lost Ark. It's more like player driven. The players driven the market. The players driven the market, and the general player base are generally free to play. So the way it works is different. There is no MMO without RNG. I mean, you don't play MMO if you don't want RNG. MMO is always about RNG. There's always RNG on every MMO. Tell me an MMO without an RNG. There is always an RNG because MMO is basically it wants you to keep playing. But right now we have PT. But yeah, Trey, thank you for welcome, dude. Yeah, regarding WoW boosting invasion in chat and that in WoW there is big boosting community, so I assume this is like a selling carry and passing and everything. Okay, what they do is basically selling the gold earned from boosting for real money. That meant with that Blizzard was not selling tokens, therefore damaging their business. I'm not sure what's going on here, to be honest. Not sure what it is. Not sure. No RNG mean boring things. No RNG means you just get the upgrade, you just get like the gear, and then after that you stop playing the game. And stopping playing the game is basically like a, I don't know, that's just how it is, right? People would rather get fucked over forever on a drop in WoW than eventually PT a piece of gear for guaranteed upgrade. Their brains don't function. I feel like it's just two different like ways the MMO works. Some will enjoy the random drop in WoW. Some enjoy like just like tapping every day that you get PT, and sometimes you succeed. It's just how it is right there. Same thing, right? Here's the thing, right? Drop rate, right? You get the drop right away, same as like one tapping at 10%, something like that. Or you pity it, same as like not getting it for like maybe like I don't know 3-4 weeks. Same thing, right? But yeah, it's the same thing. Either way, like every member is the same. So yeah, I don't know. It's like a long post actually. Yeah, boosting availability in WoW, I'm not sure, I guess. Not only that, today is extremely hard to get a boost, but also it takes a lot of time due to how much too much demand and too low supply. It's like selling boosts and stuff like that. Another big issue is gold making in Lost Ark compared to WoW. As a free-to-play, you have limited amount of gold. You can farm daily, weekly in Lost Ark. You can farm on average 5 to 10k gold a week in Lost Ark, and that by selling honing mats also. In WoW, you can farm 10k gold an hour for all 7 days of the week. How on a simple crafting, especially potions with and flask, you can do that in Lost Ark. Additional gold, you do all the old raids, legacy raid that give between 3 and 5k gold rate, and there are 30 plus gold rate. I mean, like this gold thing is kind of like it's very subjective, man. I mean, like if you go to Lost Ark as well in Korea, right? Your alt can earn like more than like 20k a week. That's like each alt as well and everything, and the value is different as well. This is just like this has nothing to do, man. Needs to do something fast regarding gold gain. People can barely farm gold, and the amount they farm gets wasted very fast by just doing honing. I mean, like I don't know. I feel like it's the same thing, to be honest. But 1 out of 2,000 is never guaranteed. The PT is, that is true. Yeah. Well, I don't know the percentage of like the WoW drops because I don't play WoW as well. So yeah, I did play Final Fantasy, and rolling like the final on like a 8th week on the weapon is basically my kind of thing right there. Every tier I roll like the weapon on the 8th week because I lose the roll. Same thing anyway to me. But yeah, WoW has subscription though. If you don't log in, you are wasting money too. I don't know. I mean, like some people are okay with it. Customer support, another huge problem. Not only that, they force players to spend more. The royal scam mentioned above, but they also don't help. They force players. When did they force players? I feel like I never get forced to do it. But they also don't help players with their purchases. One example is even myself, an issue that is still ignored from now. What I saw on this forum, there are hundreds, maybe 1,000 people situation. I don't understand. What is that here? To ignore players that spend money in your game is a big no-no. Isn't that how you make the game pay to win though? Because you cater to the whales. That can be clearly seen in the population decline. That's because they did that. It's because they what's the name? They don't ignore the players. They cater to the people that actually spends money, so they release Argos right away. Isn't that what makes it like worse? Mods? You did like Aporo, but I mean like it's just it's nothing. So here is the cause. He is mad. Maybe he's mad. Not to mention that players play this game with terror and fear. Terror and fear? No other game in history banned players for something they didn't do except Lost Ark. There's plenty of game that does that. But again, guys probably narrow-minded. But yeah. AGS players who bought pet skin mounts in a auction house and got banned because it's refunded packs. To be fair, this is Amazon's fault as well. I don't know why what Amazon was thinking, but making like the what's the name, the avatar and everything sellable shouldn't be there in the first place, because you made it sellable, then it's tradable, then like people that refund it and everyone gets hit. Why did Amazon do that? No other region did that, but Amazon did that. That's why right there. But yeah, now people are scared to buy skins, pets, mounts, or fear to get banned. That should not happen. I mean, that should not happen. Yeah, I mean that part is true, of course. Yeah, this is kind of bad. Yeah, because like I don't know what like Amazon was thinking. Not a single time in history. Yeah, but I mean like he didn't go to history class probably. That's why. I don't know. But yeah, what can be done? Fix customer support. Hire competent people that have game knowledge and know how to fix issue. By ignoring players, you will lose, not the play. You will lose, not the player. Well, either way. This one is fine, I guess. I don't know about customer support. I never had any issue personally, so I never really asked anything. But yeah, change honing chance to fail to 100% success, but the gate the maths gain. So make sure you 10 times the mats gain then. What I mean with that is make honing 100% but reduce the drop of mats. Well, it doesn't matter, I guess. There are reports where players needed to reach 100% PT to upgrade and the others only one honing try. Yeah, that's what RNG is. In WoW, maybe you can drop the first week. Or you don't drop it until like next patch. I don't know. I feel like it's the same thing. Therefore, a free-to-play will know that at one point will upgrade 100% and won't be demotivated by gambling with upgrades. To be honest, like this thing would make it like the same. Would not, it wouldn't change anything basically. So basically, it just makes the time gating real. Except if you're like whales, then you just buy the materials and you're instantly 1490, right? Because there is no gambling anymore. There is no like whale bait per se, because like spending money on honing is literally a whale bait right here. I mean, like you see like how much it costs to actually spend money. It basically kinda discourages like people that are paying. If you're like a dolphin, right? If you're a dolphin that spends like, I don't know, 100 200, you're not gonna spend it for like honing because you're not gonna get anything. It's only like the big blue whale right here that's gonna actually like do that because they have like unlimited money. But I mean, like, at least that's in my point of view. And if with 20 bucks you can spend for like, let's say like, I don't know, a guaranteed item level gain in WoW, then maybe like half of the players would spend like 20 bucks and they would be ahead compared to everyone else, and you can't catch up. At least that's in my opinion right there. I feel like it's a discouragement to actually like do that. Only swipe for peons. Yeah. Well, peons are a different thing right there. So yeah, it will motivate small spenders or even free to play to spend money to buy mats. Actually, it wouldn't. It actually wouldn't. Well, maybe it will. Small player base will do that. But like the small spender are even free to play, probably I'm not gonna get there because material will be like super expensive, and then they just don't play the game at that point because like they can't upgrade. Only whales is gonna go upgrade later because like whales is the one that are buying it. I don't know. Only pay for aura and skin. Well, I don't pay for anything. I just buy it with like in-game gold. Yeah, make solo play dungeons relevant, turn them into group content, and add more difficulty. It's called Abyss Dungeon. Give more daily and weekly chances to enter raid and dungeon. That would promote more buzzing. What we have now is too little. That is not wrong. What you do have now is too little. But you do know that like we have more, right? It's just like Amazon is taking their time. So yeah. He wants a second WoW? I don't know. Infuse more gold into the game and hire more staff to deal with bots. The only way to deal with bots is to manually check them. To infuse more gold is it's not good. It's not good because it will like directly inflate the market. So yeah, and what happens when the market is inflated? Well, gold value goes down, and everything becomes like really expensive after that. So it's not really that good as well, right? Market are basically like this thing here basically is gonna like ruin the market. Market is player determined by the majority of the player base. So depending on like the player base, like it can be expensive, it can be good for sellers, or it can be like you know, good for buyers. Right now it's good for buyers because things are cheap. But yeah, Gunslinger go Nightmare. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's a post. I mean, like, I think like his concern is like, you know, it's valid. You know, I mean, like his concern is valid and everything. But you're comparing to different game. You're comparing like what's the name? If you're comparing it like WoW and like Lost Ark is like apples and oranges. Like you're not gonna really find like the same game. We earn 20k more gold per week. I can buy 20 more level 7 gems. Oh wait, they will just be more expensive. I will be able to buy the same amount. Yeah, you earn 20k more gold. The gold is the gems is gonna be way more expensive. Then either way, it's the same thing anyway. That's what player-driven market is. It averages out on the general player base. Luckily, the general player base, they don't really spend money to upgrade because you know it's a whale bait, right? Only a 1-2%, the big whales are actually getting there. But yeah, well, for WoW, I'm not sure about like WoW because like I don't really like play WoW, so I don't know how it is. I mean, like it's just one advice. It's the same advice right here, you know. You think it's like extremely predatory for you? I think it's not. I think if you're spending money to upgrade honing, then you're kind of a pega anyway. And I know people do it, but that's basically like content for them anyway. Power to you, right? Nothing wrong with that. But if you don't like it, right? If you think Isnosark is extremely predatory, well, you can go to WoW then. It's less predatory, right? You know, it's not like anyone is stopping you. You play whatever it is that you enjoy. If you don't enjoy playing the game, then don't play it. It's as simple as that. You know, I don't know why you make it so difficult. Like, this is just a waste of time, right? You could have just go to WoW and enjoy your time in WoW. That's it, man. You know, or like you just like deal with it. That's like how the game works, and you just play Lost Ark. Simple. Or if you don't like both of them, I don't know, go play Final Fantasy. Simple as that. Don't maybe like they're molding in the forum, the Final Fantasy forum next time. Yeah, they're always the same amount, Olaf. They always like adjust because it's always like player driven market. So yeah, same thing, same thing, same thing. Yeah, pay for shut up. Yeah, I mean like I tell people to play what you enjoy, and then like people are modding telling me to shut up. Lost Ark costs more than WoW, but Manova will cost me more than I've spent in my 2 months of playing LA. Well, I don't know. I mean, like it's different right here. I don't know like the comparison between the two, but you don't compare apples and oranges. Okay, it's gonna be different, obviously. You know, you don't really compare like both of them because like it's not gonna be anything. Plus, like Lost Ark is a free-to-play game. You know, is it doomed to fail? I think like we'll have to see because like Lost Ark is not in its like peak content yet. So yeah, while WoW has been there for like more than like 10 years. So yeah, once like Lost Ark NAEU, since for this guy Lost Ark is only in NAEU, not like in Korea, not in Russia, not in Japan. Then we have to wait for the actual content first, for the peak content, which is not there yet. So we'll have to wait for that. Then we will see whether it's gonna be good or not. But if you don't enjoy playing the game, my advice is just don't play the game, man. You know, it's not gonna be good for you as well. Other people can enjoy it and let them enjoy it. Nothing wrong with that. Yep, that's what it is right there, man. It's a long. That's a long one actually. It's a long post.